Alright, so today we're going to be talking about posting within Blogger itself. And generally when you come to posting in Blogger, you're going to have a couple of different options. First one you'll have is where it'll say New Post, which is the screen that we're on right now. You can go to Edit Posts, where you can go in and have different posts there where you can go in and edit what you'd like. You can also go into Edit Pages, so within your blog you can have multiple pages as well as multiple posts. Let's go back to the New Post tab. Let's go ahead and put in a new article. We're going to put an article here. Benefits of owning a four-wheel drive. Okay, I've gotten some text here, so I went ahead and I pasted it in there. Alright, so looking at this, this is going in, it's already been set up as an article. Alright, and so looking at this, it is very similar to a word processing document where you can go in and you have your different menus. So here's where you can choose what font size you would like. They are limited somewhat on their amount of fonts, but this is where you can choose a different font. You can choose whether you want to bold it, go through the italics. You can go in and do different text color. This is for going in and adding a link. This is for formatting if you want everything aligned to the left, align center, align right, or justify. You can also go in to do different lists. So this is where you can do a numbered, a bulleted list, and of course you can do those within each other as well. This is where you would go in and do a block quote. This is a very valuable tool. This is where you check your spelling. Alright. So with this is where you can go in and add an image. And in fact, let's do this. Let's go ahead and add an image here. We'll go down right here. We'll click Add an Image. And we're going to browse from our computer. Now before we browse it, you can actually choose where you want the image to be in relation to the text. If there's no text, you can just put none and it'll put it in. You can also choose how big you want the image to be, and you can say use this layout every time. I think I'm actually going to have it go to the left. So we're going to browse here. Alright. And so now, looking at this, we have a folder set up. And I think we're going to go ahead and do this one right here. Alright. So then we would click Upload. Now, it's go ahead and it's grabbing the image and it's going to go ahead and upload it. Okay. So that's the image. So now we can look at it. Oh, okay, that's where it is. But let's say you want to see what it really looks like before you go in and publish it. Here's where this beautiful preview button is here. This is what it will look like. Now, depending on what background you have within your blog, you're going to have different things. Alright. So go down and you can say Hide Preview. Now with this, we can go in and we can either say Publish or we can say Save, which will turn it into a draft. Now also you have your post options. This is where you can say, are you going to allow readers' comments or not allow them? And we've covered the readers' comments section in another recording. Let's go ahead and publish this one. Now, it says that it has viewed successfully. Now, whenever I go in to view it, and you can view the blog from here, or you can view this post, I like to open it in a new tab rather than a new window. So you can right-click and say, Open Link in New Tab. Great. Now we're going to go ahead and go on it. Look at this. Here's our article. So this is going in, and so there's our picture right there, and it's going down through. You notice I have a black background. But what if we wanted to go in and change it? Well, we can go back in to where it says Edit Posts. And here's where we can edit this post. Okay. So we can go down here and say, well, we need to add another picture. So here's what we do. Grab this, we browse again to our folder, and we bring in another image. Alright, then again, you can say Preview. Okay, so you can see where it is. Alright, and so that is how you're able to go in and actually create a post within Blogger.